So in this video, I'll be sharing with you 7 signs that a lady has slept with a lot of men. Number 1, she's extremely good in bed. So it is no-brainer that for anyone to have an A1 in their specialized field, they must have practiced and also have a bit of an experience in that field. Technically, for a lady to be extremely good in bed, she'll tell you, oh, I like it like this, I want you to touch me like this. She can ride you so much, give you really good head and all that. She does not have any experience. No, she has met with a lot of people who has given her this much experience for her to be extremely good and know how and what she wants for her body. 2 is that she is never satisfied. A lady that has had partners with different penis sizes and also a wide range of sex duration would expect so much from their present or current partner, especially when she starts complaining that she has never had a climax with you, or she's not satisfied with one round. She complains about you being a 3 minute man. All of that are glaring signs that this lady is loose, this lady is for the streets. Number 3 is that there are no blood stain on the bed. So we all know that when a woman is chaste, in quotes, she's a virgin, and you meet her on the first night, you're supposed to have like a spot of blood on the bed, proving that, oh, this lady is actually chaste. But when you are with this your partner and nothing like that ever happened, that's enough reason that she's loose. She has been with a lot of partners before you. Number 4 is that she doesn't shy away from topics concerning sex. If she's enthusiastic and comfortable talking about sex-related topics, then she is loose. She has had a lot of partners before you. She's even willing to talk about in-depth topics concerning sex. She would argue and even talk dirty. And in all of this, she's not even shy about it. This is simply because she has been with a lot of people before you. Number 5 is physical appearance and clothing choices. If she likes dressing half naked and has a really good sex appeal, then that's your cue that she has had a lot of partners before you. Number 6 is sexual health and STI. I mean, this is a no-brainer. If she has been treating infections, she's always having one yeast infection, bacterial vaginosis, then of course she has been with a lot of people before you. Another point is that if she gets intimate on the first date, then of course, I mean, why not? She's loose and she has been with a lot of people. Because we all know that in our society, it is often classified as a taboo for a lady to ask a guy out or give him green signs, or even go down with a guy on a first date. A lady who has slept with a lot of people doesn't have shame, doesn't have that fear of agreeing with the societal norm. But what if I tell you that I was just being sarcastic with all that I've said? You can't really tell if a person has been with a lot of people or slept with a lot of partners before you just because they are very skilled in bed. They like opening certain parts of their body. They have a good sex appeal. You had sex with them on the first night and there was no blood stain. We understand that as a lady in Africa, Nigeria, in fact, in the whole world, if you involve yourself in cycling, some sporting activities, or even going to the hospital and having some medical examination done on you, which involves inserting speculum in your vagina, that alone will take away the hymen, and you don't expect that person to have blood stains on the bed for you to ascertain that they are actually chaste or a virgin. And if a person is always complaining of having STIs, it could be that they have this partner they are being faithful with, but that partner is not faithful to them. I don't know if you understand me. They are faithful to this guy and this guy is not really faithful to her. So that one is now giving her infection, making it look like, oh, she's she has been sleeping around. And also the fact that a person is complaining of them not being satisfied does not even mean that they've been with a lot of people. Or better still, when they don't shy away from topics relating sex, it doesn't connote that they have been with a lot of people, except this person tells you that they've been with 1,000 and more people. Then you should take it for that. We shouldn't stereotype people for what we see or what we assume they are. It is crucial that we understand that a person's sexual history is private to them. And also, their sexual history does not define their character or their worth. So guys, what I've said so far is that you cannot denote or connote a person's sexual activity by just looking at them or assuming their lifestyle. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you have found this video really interesting, do well to smash on the like button, comment down below, subscribe to this channel. I remain your nurse Pep, and if you're a returning subscriber, my guy, how far, you're an OG. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
That's fine, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, cause I can play. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala.